Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to use Rythm bot on your Discord server. So guys, the first step, go to this website called top.gg, right as you can see here, right here, and then after select on search bar to Rythm bot as you can see here, and invite bottle here, and right here I have chosen the server I want to add it on my Discord, and going to authorize, and then just going invite them your Discord and select the server and click continue, then again authorize. So after that guys, the bot has added to my Discord on server. This is how you can do guys. So I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like, share this video for more content, and see you soon guys, and keep watching. Any question guys below in the comment.